Check out this pre-owned 2012 Honda Odyssey LX. This four-door minivan has a six-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine with front-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Honda has less than 83,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 18 miles per gallon in the city and 27 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include speed-sensitive volume control, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.